Oh, hey, I didn't see that. So it's the first week of college for me, and I already have a big paper to do. Like, can't these teachers just like cool down a bit? Give me some time. Right now I'm taking a grilling class, and I have to figure out which is better between New York Texas toast and Joseph Texas toast. Like, what do they expect from me? Do they think I'm great at grilling or something? For school-related reasons, I've been taking some notes on these to see who might be the winner. Come here. You see, Joseph has worldwide sort of aspects to it because, like, look, that's Italian, you know? It's very Italian. That's very cool. But New York is very patriotic because it's like Texas and New York, you know what I mean? Even though that is the Italian flag right there. Joseph says it has thick slices, while on the other hand, New York says that they have real garlic. You know, that these don't say they have real garlic, but they don't say they have thick slices, so who am I to blame? But Joseph says it only takes 5 minutes till they're ready, while New York says 5 to 8 minutes. So either this one's quicker, or this one has more, you know, they're trying to be more truthful by saying it might take longer. So really, it's gonna depend on the taste. I don't know why I did this. So we're gonna wanna have the grill preheated to 300 degrees. Now we're gonna put it on the toasts. The first one we're gonna put up is the Joseph one. Let's get them all. And then now we're gonna put on the New York Texas toast. Isn't that kind of funny? It's the company's name is New York, but it's Texas toast, wasn't it? Okie dokie. So what you're going to want to do is leave them both on for 4 minutes just to get a little crispy, and then turn them so that on the other side they can get a little crispy, and leave those on for 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and give them both a turn. See how Joseph's does, and oh, that got pretty crispy. Ooh, that kind of sucks right there. I think it's because of the flame. Over here too. Ooh, that one just, what the hell? That one could look a little better, but this one, oh yes. That one, what? Since the flames kind of come out from the middle here, I'm going to do that.
Recording.
I'm gonna take them off now. This is the New York one, but if you look at the back of it, it didn't grill that much. And that's okay depending on who you are. The other one, just, like, that's fine, I guess, but that's kind of like, that doesn't look as natural as, like, these babies do. Oh my gosh. The Josephs? Don't even start. The Josephs they've been killing it out here. Look at it. Look at how perfect this Joseph is. If you wanted to grill garlic bread, this is what you want to do. But then again, looks don't matter. Because if so, I wouldn't have a girlfriend. So it's time to see now which one is actually better. First up on the line, I'm gonna do the New York one. You know what? It's the underdog, so I'm gonna let it get first impressions first, okay? So let's try this one first. That does not disappoint. For being on the grill, like, it was just so crispy, you know, like that nice crisp taste to it. Let's try the other one. This one didn't fare as well, but I think it'll still taste good. This is like your typical garlic bread right here. And I think it tastes good for that reason. Next up, Joseph. See, this is kind of like the garlic bread side right here, and this is more like the crisp one, so let's try. Let's give it a bite. This is still really good. It just tastes different than the other one. It tastes good. I like it a lot. But something about the crispy one on that side has something different to it. And that would happen to be real garlic. Now we're gonna try the little more garlicky bread side. That tastes better than that one. The garlicky bread on this one just tasted more natural to me. When it comes down to like normal, soggier garlic bread, Joseph wins. When it comes down to a more crispy kind of bread, New York wins. I would say for this assignment, I didn't find a winner or a loser like it asked. Instead, I found an all-time reigning champion, and that would be Lion Premium Grills.